Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
You are welcome. Go ahead.
My name is Aman. My name is Aman. I am 15 years old. I am 15 years old. I am from Kerala, India. I am from Kerala, India. Currently, I am studying in 10th class. Currently, I am studying in 10th class. I study in Government High School. I study in Government High School.
Very good. Very good. Tell me something about your family. Tell me something about your family.
There are 4 members in my family. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a driver. My father is a driver. My mother is a homemaker. My mother is a homemaker. I have one younger sister. I have one younger sister. My family always supports me in my studies. My family always supports me in my studies.
That is wonderful. That is wonderful. Which subject do you like the most? Which subject do you like the most?
My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English.
Why do you like English? Why do you like English?
Because I want to speak English fluently and confidently. Because I want to speak English fluently and confidently.
That's good. That's good.
I also enjoy learning new words and daily use sentences. I also enjoy learning new words and daily use sentences.
Do you study every day? Do you study every day?
Yes, ma'am, I try to study regularly. Yes, ma'am, I try to study regularly.
How many hours do you study? How many hours do you study?
Usually, I study for 3 to 4 hours daily. Usually, I study for 3 to 4 hours daily.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are watching educational videos, listening to music, and playing cricket. My hobbies are watching educational videos, listening to music, and playing cricket.
Do you use YouTube for learning? Do you use YouTube for learning?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What do you watch there? What do you watch there?
I watch spoken English videos and motivational content. I watch spoken English videos and motivational content.
That's very useful. That's very useful.
Yes, it helps me improve my confidence. Yes, it helps me improve my confidence.
Tell me about your daily routine. Tell me about your daily routine.
I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Then I brush my teeth and get ready for school. Then I brush my teeth and get ready for school. After breakfast, I go to school. After breakfast, I go to school. I attend classes carefully and complete my homework on time. I attend classes carefully and complete my homework on time. In the evening, I spend some time studying and practicing English. In the evening, I spend some time studying and practicing English.
Very nice. What are your strengths? What are your strengths?
I am hardworking and honest. I am hardworking and honest. I never give up easily. I never give up easily. I always try to learn from my mistakes. I always try to learn from my mistakes.
Good. What about your weakness? Good. What about your weakness?
Sometimes, I feel nervous while speaking English. Sometimes, I feel nervous while speaking English.
That's normal. That's normal.
But, I am practicing every day to improve myself. But, I am practicing every day to improve myself.
Excellent attitude. Excellent attitude. What do you want to become in the future? What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a successful person in my life. I want to become a successful person in my life.
That's nice. Any specific career? That's nice. Any specific career?
I want to improve my communication skills and achieve my dreams. I want to improve my communication skills and achieve my dreams.
Very good. Very good.
I believe hard work and confidence are the keys to success. I believe hard work and confidence are the keys to success.
Good work, Aman. Now you can confidently speak about yourself in English. Good work, Aman. Now you can confidently speak about yourself in English. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. Don't worry about small mistakes. Don't worry about small mistakes.
Thank you so much for your encouragement. Thank you so much for your encouragement.
You are welcome. Keep up the good work. You are welcome. Keep up the good work.